Hi, this is Deniz, and in this video I'm going to show you how to deal with class imbalance problem in Rapidminer. So most of the time when we get our hands on the data, we realize that some of the classes are underrepresented, meanwhile some of the other classes are, they are the majority class. So the data is unbalanced, right? So what we need to do there is actually to create a more balanced representation of the data, and there are several ways that we can do that. And one thing is to undersample the majority class. All right, so let's go ahead and check how we can do that with Rapidminer. I'll just use the read CSV file, read CSV operator to read the data from my CSV files, and this is a file that you're going to be really familiar with. It's the mouse dataset. Yeah. Let me go ahead and run this to show the data and how it is, how it looks like in visualization here. So this is basically a scatter plot of several different labels, several different classes of data, and it just resembles a mouse, right? Let me also show you the names of the columns. We have X and Y, and we have the class attribute, and the class attribute has some noise class here. We have the head class. What else do we have? Let me go down, down, down. We have the ear right, so the right ear of the mouse, and the ear underscore left. So we have 4 classes here, and 3 of them are relevant. One is just noise. Because we are loading this from CSV, the roles are not set, so I'm going to just use a set role operator to define that the class is actually my label. Right. All right. So far so good. What we're going to recognize here is actually, I will just run this again and show you the scatter plot. So you see the left ear is not so many. So it's not the majority class, and right ear as well. But the head is the majority class here. So most of the data elements, the data items, belong to the head class. So I will just go ahead and balance this by using the operator which is called sample. So I'll use the sample operator. All right, so the sample operator asks me what to do with the sample, what to do, how to sample the data. Right, so I'm going to just edit the list. So I'm interested in 3 classes, right? So I'm not interested in the noise, but I'm interested in the ear underscore left. And I would like to have 100 data items there. And I'm also interested in ear underscore right. I also would like to have 100 samples in there, and there was also the head class, right? So that was the majority class, and I would also like to have 100 data points that belong to head. If I go ahead and run this and take a visualization, you're going to realize that the head is, the scatter plot of the head is much less dense. Right? Because we just had a subsample of this data. All right? So, as a matter of fact, that was the undersampling. We were basically able to get a subset of the data that belongs to one class, which is the majority class. Right? So this is how you can just, this is one of the ways that you can use to balance your data if you have a class imbalance problem. That was it.